Christmas shopping with my mom today.
But before that, that's my mom and she already unboxing the gift that what she received from my ate. And yeah, kita niyo naman sa reaction niya na parang gulat na gulat siya doon sa laman. And that was a simple gift. And I think masaya na siya sa natanggap niya. And that's what most important is to genuinely see her reaction.
Today is Christmas Day, so pag-shop ko sa ngayon ay here in SM Grand Center.
At this point, nasa Miniso na kami niyan at bumibili na kami ng mga pabango na kailangan namin bilhin. And ito pala yung pinili ko, which is Midnight Gentleman for my dad. And she also adds some pillow neck for her travel purposes. And we finally decided to eat here at Scorch Smokehouse.
Napumili na lang sa iyo kasi ikaw kakain. Sit lang.
First side dish po, coleslaw or garlic.
Garlic. Then add drinks.
Ano po, ice tea or ice tea or
Cucumber na lang. So right now we are here in Scorch Smokehouse at para kumain na dito yung nanay ko sa tabi ko. At nag-order na kami ng pagkain namin. And when we went to Alberto, may isa akong bag na gusto talaga dito sa kanya. But namamahalan siya. Yan. At sabi niya daw wala daw lang. So anything na sinabi ko na gusto niya, ayaw niya talaga bilhin. Din kami sa Gorgiano para maghanap ng mga dress and all department stores and also mga ibang brand. Wala talagang mahanap na size para sa nanay. At double 3XL, 3XL, 4XL, gano'n. So, pero nahirapan kami maghanap ng ano. So, ngayon naghintay na kami ng food. So, our food is already here. Merry Christmas, everyone!
Chicha.
Chicha! Our food.
Marina.
And ito yung sanay ko. So, Merry Christmas, everyone! Enjoy your meal of the day. So yun guys, nasa surplus kami at bibili ako ng Hydro. Tapos kakatapos lang namin kumain. Ito pinipili ko. Ito yung pipilian ko. So naghintay pa ako ng chat na galing kay ate kasi siya nagbibigay ng advice. This one. So pumunta na kami ng cashier. So ayun guys, I got surplus na. So we still trying to find something na pwede na mabili.
At this point, we went to a SM store department and we bought some bags for my sister.